Welcome to the time clock presentation. Basically, I'm going to go over three things. I'm going to go over the time clock application itself, the reporting and how it comes out to Excel, and then how you would edit time if you needed to. So basically what time clock is a way to track people's times, employees' times, as far as when they get into work, when they leave work, as breaks, coaching, training, system issues. And those are the main things that it's going to track. It's going to track everybody's time for all your employees. So this is the basic time clock application. It's based off of MySQL database. This is written in Java. So the application itself can work on any operating system. It can work on Windows, which is what it's on right now, Linux, and also the Mac OS X. So basically, when you open up time clock, you're going to select your name, type in your password, and then log in. Once you log in, you're going to come into a new screen, and this is actually how IBM works their claims, but this can be changed to any company's specific needs as far as tracking work that an employee does. So we don't really need that. Basically, we just want to go over this, which is the actual time clock application. So I've logged in. It starts my login time. It hits the database and gives me a login timestamp based on the server time. These right here are just stopwatches that allow me to see a front end time of how long I have been logged in. If I started a break, it would then go into break. Notice that I can always start system issues if I'm in break. But these buttons right here are all tied together. These two are kind of on their own. So I stop my break. I've been here for a minute. This is how much I've worked. I went into break for 13 seconds. If I was going to lunch, I'd start a lunch, say, 30 minutes, an hour, however long your employees have to go to lunch. And then I could train or do coaching, the same thing. So once I'm done with the day, I would just log out, and it's going to clear everything out. And then I just close out the application. Now, locally, or on the internet, you could have this internet-based as well. Just go to my local host. Log in as an administrator, and this is going to show you the reporting side. So for time, I can run a time report. And in this time report, I can select two dates, the 22nd to the 28th this week, submit that time, and it's going to come back and it's going to give me that I worked, 14 minutes of break, or 14 seconds of break, 7 seconds of lunch, and a total of 1 minute and 28 seconds of work time. My total billable, because it minuses out the lunch, is 1 minute and 21. So then it gives you the decimal, which you can use in Excel, and then it also breaks it down in total shrinkage. So sums it all up down at the bottom. This also comes out to Excel, so you can just click to download the report, and it'll just bring the CSV file into Excel. And then you can see an actual breakdown. Same exact thing that we said. Make it look good. Another thing that we can do here is say this is incorrect because somebody forgot to come back from lunch or from break in their time clock. What you can do is you can select the person's name, view the time, and it shows for today by default. This is what I've done so far. If any of these are incorrect, we can delete them, and then you can also add it too. So let's say this logout really needs to be for 8 or 11 or 10:11 instead of 10:07. I can delete that logout. It'll say that it's been deleted. Reload the page. Now I don't have a logout, and I can add the new correct time. So for Ty Hudson, which is me, log out, select today, which is 26, and then do 10:12. Creates the timestamp, insert, reload the page. Now I've corrected my time. And now the new report would show that I actually logged out at this time. So then I could go back in here, run the time report again for today. And now it's been changed to the 5 minutes and 26 seconds total billable. And I guess that concludes the time clock presentation.